Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far because we are back shopping at Costco. We're going to go over the baking essentials. And in the past, I've only gone over them during the holiday season, but honestly, we use them all year round. So let's see what's in the store today, starting with the KitchenAid, that bowl lift stand mixer. And this is actually a good item to have on hand. It is an investment, but so many multiple uses. And now Costco has three options. We have it in black, red, and silver. For the longest time, Costco only carried it in red. You're getting 4 of the attachments plus the pouring shield as well. Now you can see the middle one, there's an attachment on top. Those are extra. Sometimes you find those at Costco.com, but no matter which KitchenAid stand mixer you have, those can attach to any one. And right now it's on sale, $320 after $100 savings, and that's going to go on until the 15th. From Ninja, the deluxe kitchen system, there is so much that you could do with this system, and I love this bundle because you're getting the pitcher, you're also getting the food processor, plus 2 additional single if you're making salad dressings, smoothies. $40 savings, $140. It's going to go on until the 15th. Now, this was on sale recently, and it's a great item to have. I like it because it doesn't take up too much space. You have from Cuisinart the immersion blender. You're getting the whisk to whip up some whipped cream. You're getting the mini chopper as well. There's so many uses for this small set. So right now, regular price of $40. We may see this go on clearance soon. If you're needing extra space, this is one of the latest here at Costco, this returning kitchen cart. And if you're needing just a little bit extra counter space, maybe you've always wanted an island, but your kitchen maybe a little too small for a traditional one, this comes in so handy. And we have one of these. Ours came from IKEA from years ago, very similar to this one. But I love the 2 tones. So we have it in white or in gray. You have the 2 drawers. The wheels do lock in place. And then each side has the hooks. Our first home together was only 1,000 square feet, and our kitchen was just so small, no kitchen island, plus it was an old craftsman style kitchen, and we used one of these for our kitchen island. It came in so handy because we needed that extra counter space, and the drawers came in handy as well, plus the extra shelving. I just love these pieces. $130, not too bad of a price because they can get expensive. And when you're baking, it is always a huge plus to have a kitchen scale on hand. And with this kitchen scale here at Costco, first, it's under $20. Especially for the size of this one, I love it. It is huge. The max capacity, 30 pounds. That's a lot of weight. It's waterproof. That is a huge bonus. You could weigh in ounces, grams, milliliters, and you could also weigh your postage. And trust me, I use this so much when I'm mailing out birthday cards, especially the ones here from Costco. We share that with our best deals yesterday. It's a box of 40. They're kind of thick. But, if you're adding photos or just fun little stuff in your envelope, you want to weigh it before you mail it. And that's one of the reasons I love my scale because it's so big and just so many multiple uses. But $17, worth it. And from Nordic Ware, this is a returning item. We shared this recently. And I like these baking trays. I love the size of them because you can serve food. But if you're making just a small portion, this comes in so handy. Maybe only a couple of cookies at a time. $19 for a pack of 4. And from OXO Softworks, this is one of the latest here at Costco, the pop containers. You're actually getting 4 of them. They only have 3 on display, but it really does seal out the air. And these are great for pasta, flour, so many multiple uses. I love these little measuring containers because they fit right on top. Now, I priced that large one. Those are about $15 each at Home Goods, and it doesn't include the cup. So here you're getting 4 of them, 2 of the tall ones and then 2 of the medium size for $38. This is such a great price. And it really does come in handy, and they're so easy to use. Now, the ceramic food storage set, here's another great one, especially for baking, storing leftovers, maybe some meal prep. Now, it is ceramic. This top is glass. The only plastic is, of course, around the edge. But I like this set because you have 2 different options. So you have it in the blue and in a gray. Now these are still regular price, but I know these ceramic food storage sets could get so expensive. And then here at Costco, $30, and they're dishwasher safe too. Now from Tupperware, we know Tupperware is a classic, and we have this bowl set. This is one of the latest here at Costco. So of course you're getting the lids. I'm gonna move these lids over. But the nice thing about these bowls is that they are lightweight, easy to clean, but I love this little handle. You just kind of place your thumb right here. If you're mixing anything together, you can hold on to it. So you can easily multitask if you need to with this set because you're holding on to it. I love the sizes. That one at the bottom, that one is huge. And of course you're getting the lids. Always great to have those lids with it. Now, Tupperware is a little bit on the pricier side, but these are $30. That's a really good price for Tupperware. Now, the stoneware bowls, they had these on sale. They sold out so fast because you're getting 10 of them. Now, the regular price is $10, and there's so many multiple uses for these. They're dishwasher safe. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I do have a set because I think they are so pretty. The roses, this one right here on the outside, that was my favorite. But they're all so pretty, and I love how they're all different. And again, $10, and they're microwave safe as well. Now, if you are needing a knife set, it is always good to have a good knife set. You want to make sure that they are sharp. But with this set, 17 pieces plus the block holder, so it's going to hold everything together. $45 savings, $175. That's going to go until the 18th. And you want to make sure that you have good cutting boards. From Hinkle's, these are dishwasher safe. That's a huge plus, especially if you're cutting chicken. 3 different sizes for $20. You might be wondering why with the baking essentials I'll be sharing a storage set. Well, I have many reasons, and I'm going to share a couple with you. Personally, for me, I use these to store smaller items. For example, I have so many different cookie cutters, and one of these, yes, holds all the cookie cutters that I own. And that's not including my holiday cookie cutters. That's a whole other box. But I also use these. I have a lot of decorating tools, and there are some baking essentials you don't use every day. Maybe paper cups for muffins or cupcakes. I have a lot of those items and sprinkles, so these come in handy when I'm storing those items. So $10 for a pack of 4. And where I store those items, well, it's the top shelf of my pantry. And with our baking essentials, there's some that we just don't use every day, so I store those on the top shelf. And to get those down or to put them away, I definitely need a good step stool, and this is the one I have. I love it. I feel very secure with it. It's lightweight because the steps are made of aluminum. $36. It has gone up in price in the last year, but it's still worth the price because, you know, having a ladder you feel safe on, that's always worth it. And you have that handle on top, and I always feel safe climbing to that top step. Now, orange liqueur, there's a lot of great recipes with that orange liqueur, and then once you bake it in the oven, that alcohol evaporates and you're getting the flavor. So we have the brand name, we have the Grand Marnier. This is 750 milliliters. Now this one is $28.70. It does have the star, and then right next to it, this is the Kirkland orange liqueur. Now this is only 700 milliliters, so it's a little bit smaller than the Grand Marnier, but the price is less, $18, but it also has a star, so I'm kind of curious if Costco is moving out the orange liqueur. Now the Irish cream liqueur, this definitely comes in handy, especially with next month with St. Patrick's Day. My mother uses this to make a really good Irish cream, buttercream frosting. It is delicious. I'm going to have to get that recipe from her. $19 for 1.75 liters. And if you are needing a lot of lemons or limes, for example, around Easter, we make Portuguese sweetbread, and the zest of lemons, it just really brings flavor out in the bread. You really don't get that lemon essence in the bread, but the zest, it makes a huge difference. And 5 pounds of lemons for $5.70. And of course, we save the juice because you can freeze it in ice cube trays. Even the limes, the zest of limes, it always adds that extra flavor no matter what you're baking or cooking with. $4.40 for 3 pounds. And the dates, you could chop up the dates, and this just brings a natural sweetness to whatever you are baking. And this is actually on sale right now. The dates rarely ever go on sale here at Costco. This is a 2-pound container. So $2 savings, $7.90. That's going to go until the 15th. From Glad, the takeaways. Now, these are great if you are giving out baked goods or if you're just doing a little bit of prepping and you need to store some items. These come in so handy, and they're on sale for $8 till the 22nd. Now, organic ginger root. This can add just a little bit of extra heat, some flavor, and there's so many multiple uses. But I will take this, I will peel it up, chop it up, slice it up, and you're getting so much. 1.75 pounds for $5.50 is such a good price. And garlic. This is usually right next to the ginger root, but if you bake a lot with garlic, check this out. It's a 3-pound bag. The garlic is already peeled for you and it's just ready to be used. But 3 pounds for $12.50. You're going to find those in the cold section. And even the cottage cheese. So cottage cheese, you can make this sweet, you could make this savory, you could whip it up. Now, depending on your store, you may see a different brand. So last time I saw the cottage cheese, it was from the Knudsen brand. So this one we have is the Dairy Gold now. 3 pounds for $6.50. Now, the sour cream, again, you may see a different brand because I've seen both Daisy and Knudsen in the Costco stores, but I like these squeezable containers. I'm not finding the 3-pound container, but I'll keep my eye out because we are in the cold room. You're getting 2 14-ounce containers for $4.60. And I think I did find it. It was in a whole different area. They weren't next to each other. But here is the 3-pound container. Also from Daisy, $5.50. So again, the brand name can vary from store to store. If you like to bake with yogurt, now I was looking for the Kirkland, the Greek yogurt. I couldn't find it at this time, but I did find this one. There's actually 2 containers. This is Bellwether Farms A2 Organic Whole Milk Yogurt, $8.90. Each container is 32 ounces. This is actually a really good yogurt. We have our Greek style yogurt. This is from Forager Project. This is dairy free. This one, you still have 2 containers. It is organic. There's no added sugar. It's unsweetened and it's $10.99, so $11. Each container is 24 ounces. Now, if you're planning on making muffins or breads, and I want to try cookies with the flax seeds, and this is organic, lots of health benefits, rich in that omega-3, it's gluten-free, and sometimes, when we're baking, we like to kind of sneak in some healthy ingredients. $11 for 64 ounces. Here's another one, the organic chia seeds. Now, I do like chia seeds, and I'll add this to yogurt a lot of times, and you could definitely add this to a dessert. Lots of omega-3, there's fiber, lots of great health benefits. So 4 pounds, the bag is resealable, and it has a long shelf life as well. So here at Costco, it's $12 again for 4 pounds. And if you're looking for some different sweeteners, we have the organic blue agave. This is very popular here at Costco because you're getting 2 36-ounce containers. You're going to find this with the honey products. $9, pretty decent price. And speaking of honey, we're here in Southern California, so we have our SoCal raw unfiltered honey, 48 ounces for $12.50. And our Kirkland organic peanut butter is back. So happy to see this again. You're getting 2 28-ounce containers, same price. They didn't increase the price, which is great. Still $10. And I know beets are so good for you, but I just cannot eat a beet by itself. The great thing about beets is that you can mask the flavor with other fruits. So you could definitely add this to desserts, getting the benefit of the beets, but you're not tasting them, which I like. $8 for a pack of 3. And if you're needing some lemon juice, so again, the brand can vary from store to store here at Costco. It's organic. You're getting 2 1-liter bottles, so lots of multiple uses for lemon juice. And for the set of 2, $9.50. Now, the yeast, the active dry yeast, this is one that I have not seen at the Costco wholesale store for quite some time. I normally only see it at the business center, but I know making your own bread has gotten very popular, so I think that's why they brought it back to the wholesale store. $7.60 is a good price for as much yeast as you're getting. Now, if you're looking for gluten-free flour, this is measure for measure. So if you need 1 cup of regular flour, you could use 1 cup of gluten-free flour. This is from King Arthur, 5 pounds for $9.50. Now, if you're looking for some vanilla extract, this is one of my favorites from Costco, 16 ounces. It is pure. There's a lot of imitation, and I prefer the pure vanilla extract. And $10 is such a great price. Now, if you're looking for the vanilla paste, it can get expensive. So 10 ounces here at Costco is $20. It's a really good price compared to other stores. Now, if you're looking for unbleached bread flour, this is another favorite of mine from King Arthur. And there are a couple of other brands of flour. This is just one that I really like here. $8.60, because I do prefer the unbleached flour. The pure baking soda. We know baking soda, there's so many multiple uses. You could clean with it. Also, you could cook with it. So what I do is I will purchase this huge bag here at Costco, and then I'll pour half of it into another container, use it for cooking, and then the bag I use for cleaning. So $8.90 for 13 pounds. It's definitely a lot. You can see 100 plus uses. It's so true. And the craisins, oh, these are so good. You could just eat them by themselves. You could add them to cookies, to breads, to muffins, salads. And there's just so many great recipes. So 64 ounces. This did go up a little bit in price. They're now $10. And we'll see them on sale usually during the holiday season. And organic raisins. So lots of great recipes. Again, breads, cookies, or just by themselves as a snack. You're getting 4 pounds in total, and that is $11. And our organic sun-dried figs. Now, if you're wanting to bake with them, you don't have to wait till they're in season. You can just pick them up right now. They are only here for a limited time. They are gluten-free, 2.5 pounds, and for only $12.70. Well, everyone, we're going to head on out. Thank you again so much for coming along to Costco with me today, and for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.